Greetings everyone, in this video I will show you how you can install extensions manually if the automatic installation of them fails, especially for Dreamboot extension. Moreover, Dreamboot extension just released another version and now it is supporting Torque version 2. In this video I will also explain how you can install Torque version 2. Torque version 2 is supposed to increase image speed generation and training speed significantly in the new cards, so you will be also able to use Torque version 2 after watching this video. I have been getting asked numerous times recently that their extension installation is failing. I already shown how to install Dreamboot extension manually on Rampod in this particular video. So if your automatic installation fails on Rampod, you can watch this how to install Dreamboot on Rampod. So let's say automatic installation is failed for you on Automatic 1111 Web UI in your PC. Normally we are going extensions tab in our interface, go to the available, click load from, then search for the extension that we are looking for example Dreamboot, and click install. Then after we restart our web UI, it is supposed to install everything automatically for us. However, sometimes it is failing, so therefore in this video I will show you how you can manually install it. The extensions of Automatic 1111 Web UI are installed inside extensions folder directly. So you will see ST Dreamboot extension inside this folder. Let's say your automatic installation has failed. So I suggest you to delete this folder first, then go to the extensions tab in Web UI, go to the available, click load from. If installed is checked, you can uncheck this to show Dreamboot extension, then click Dreamboot. In here it will open the link of the Dreamboot on your browser, copy it inside your extensions folder, type cmd, it will open the command line interface beginning inside your folder like this, then type git clone and paste the URL with right click, hit enter, it will clone the extension for you. Then what we are going to do is changing the requirements, the library dependencies. Go to the inside your extension, Dreamboot extension, you will see requirements txt file here. Right click requirements, click edit, it will open it like this in a notepad file. Then go back to the main installation web UI folder. Inside here you will see requirements versions txt file. This is really important, requirements versions txt. Right click it, edit, and it will get opened like this. So you need to compare the web UI requirements versions and the requirements versions of the Dreamboot extension. You will notice that there are some conflicts. For example, Accelerate version of ST Dreamboot extension is bigger than the Accelerate version of the web UI. Therefore, replace the Accelerate version of the web UI and make it same as the Dreamboot extension like this. You will also see that the Transformers versions are conflicting between web UI and the Dreamboot extension. So change the Transformers version of the web UI, make it same as the Dreamboot extension. If you also notice any other conflicting versions, also change them. Then save the requirements versions txt file with save or Ctrl S in Windows, close them. After that, close your running web UI instance if it is running and restart your web UI. So after you restart your web UI, if the Dreamboot extension is still not working, delete this VNV folder and restart again. It will install everything from beginning and it will reinstall all of the requirements, and then you should see the Dreamboot extension is installed. Also, let's say you want to update your web UI, then type cmd in here. You will see that cmd started in your folder. Type git pull and it will update your web UI or it will update your extensions. This is the way it works. Git pull will update your extensions or web UI, basically any Git repository. For this to work, you need to install Git. Also, after you updated your web UI, make sure that your command line arguments are there. If you don't have a big graphic card, then you should use --xformers as your command line argument. So it will start your web UI with xformers. It will also install the xformers. This is really important one. You don't have to downgrade your xformers version anymore because the Dreamboot extension is now installing the latest development version that is working with training. Okay, I have restarted my web UI and I will show you the messages that I am getting. You see it is saying that checking Dreamboot requirements. Then it is collecting the necessary packages that are necessary for Dreamboot extension. They are getting installed. You will see the installation messages like this. And in here, this is really important. You should see all of these requirements have plus icon. These are necessary for Dreamboot extension to work, and if any of these are negative, then you should try deleting VNV folder, this folder, and restart your web UI to see whether it is fixing or not. Changing the requirements versions will also help you significantly to fix your possible errors. So now our web UI has started. I can see the URL. It is also displaying the CUDA setup loading binary and other messages. There are no errors. When I refresh my URL, I will see the Dreamboot extension has been installed and it is available to use. It is also showing the changelog. You can also read them, release notes, and then you can start using Dreamboot as I have shown in my other videos. Now I will show you how you can install Torque version 2. For installing Torque version 2, first we need to enter inside VNV folder and activate. To do that, go to your installation folder. Inside here, enter VNV folder. Inside here, enter scripts folder. Then start a CMD. So for starting a CMD inside this folder, you can click the navigation bar in the top, type CMD and hit enter, and it will start like this. Alternatively, you can navigate here. Let me show you. Open a new CMD window like this. Then inside scripts folder, right click one of the files, click properties. It will display you the location like here. Select it, copy it. Then go to your new CMD window, type CD, put a quotation mark, right click, paste it, put another quotation mark and hit enter, and then CMD will be inside that folder. Then type activate like this and hit enter. Once you type activate, you have to see this VNV in the beginning of the line like this. That means that you have activated the virtual environment of your installation, and now whatever the command you execute will be executed inside this virtual environment. Then go back to this page. I will put the link of this page into the description. Copy the first command here like I am doing. I have copied the first line, right click, copy, then right click and paste and hit enter. Make sure that you are executing this command while you are seeing these parentheses inside VNV, otherwise it won't work. It will download the latest version of CUDA, Torque, and it will start installing them. This may take some time based on your installation. Also, if you see it is frozen like this is a thing of CMD window. Just hit enter and it will continue. You are going to see a message like this, installing collected packages, and then it will display found existing installation Torque version 1.13. It will uninstall those and then it will install the latest version. Okay, the first command installation has been completed. These are the messages it is displaying. Now time to execute the second command. So I am copying it, then right click and paste it and hit enter. The second one was also completed. Now time to restart our web UI to see whether it is working or not. Okay, when I am starting my web UI, now it is displaying the newest version. As you can see, Torque version 2, Torque version 0.15, Xforms version 0.17 plus P6, and these are the other versions that it is displaying. The web UI has been restarted. Now in the bottom I see that Python version, Torque version is 2.2.0 and plus CUDA 11.7, Xforms is 0.017 B6, and these are the Gradio and the checkpoints. I generated an image and it works, and I can see that IT is significantly increased, so I can say that the Torque version 2 is very good. My graphic card is RTX 3060. Currently there are also other applications open, so I can't say that this is the best speed, but I can see that it is increased. The image generation speed is increased very well. So if you don't know how to use Stable Diffusion, how to install and run Automatic 1111 Web UI, I have an excellent playlist. In the comment section of the video you will see playlist link, just click it. Then this playlist page will be opened. The third video will show you how to install and run Automatic 1111 Web UI instance. The fourth video will show you how to use custom modules, especially version 2.1 version. And then I have excellent Dreamboot tutorial, textual inversion tutorial, LoRa tutorial, and other tutorials. You can look all of them. They are all useful. They are all related to Stable Diffusion. Please also like, subscribe, and if you support us on Patreon or via joining our YouTube channel, I would appreciate that very much. Hopefully my next video will be about how to teach an excellent style to your model and use it for free. It will be like Midjourney level, I believe. I believe that you will like it. Hopefully see you in another awesome video.